You tell a car salesman your monthly budget, and they quietly add $17,000 to your life while smiling at you. No upgrades, no features, just interest and upsells. And the worst part, you help them do it. Big Bertha walks into a car dealership like, I just want something nice. Salesman looking at her like, of course you do. He leans in. What monthly payment you comfortable with? Everything goes quiet. Heartbeat starts. Bertha says, 800? Boom! That's the sound of your wallet leaving your body. You just stopped negotiating the car. Now you're negotiating how long they can charge you. You came in for a $35,000 car, but you said you could afford an $800 month car payment. So they showed you a $52,000 car and stretched the car loan to 7 years. Total you pay? $67,000. You just bought a car you never even wanted. You didn't buy a car. You married a payment for 7 years. And the car dealership has trained us to think this way. You thinking, I can afford $800. They're thinking, how long can we milk this human? Next time they ask, what monthly payment? You say, I don't care about payments. What's the out of the door price? Taxes, fees, everything. Write it down. They're gonna blink twice like, this one's dangerous. They're gonna try, well, what payment works for you? You say, I already told you the price, or I'm calling the next dealer. Don't go dealership to dealership like you're sightseeing. Sit down, phone in hand, call 5. You say the price. They give you a number. You say, I'm calling 4 more people. I'll get back to you. And you actually do it. One says $35K. One says $34K. One says $32K. Now you the boss. Now they are nervous. Now they're blowing up your phone like you're their ex and you just got hot. Now here's where people lose their mind. You fall in love with the car. You're in the driver's seat like, this is my baby. Relax. That's not your baby. That's a depreciating liability with a Bluetooth, ma'am. The second they feel that, your power disappears. When they don't meet your price, you stand up, silence. You say, that doesn't work for me. Pause. And you walk out like rent is due and they're not helping. And here's the part they don't tell you. End of the month, they're desperate. On the 29th, that no deal turns into, please come back. We miss you. Same car, different level of panic. Now let's talk about the biggest lie. Down payment reality. They say, put more money down. They want your cash so the payment looks smaller. But that money, gone forever. You can always pay extra later. You drove off the lot. Boom! The car loses 20% of its value instantly. That $5,000 down payment, gone, vanished. Disappeared like your paycheck on rent day. And if you crashed it next month, insurance pays $32,000. You still owe $45,000. That gap, that's on you. That's why you don't empty your savings into something that vanishes at a red light. Then they hit you with, you want wheel insurance, the paint protection, the thing that beeps when you're bad at parking. That's another $3,000 wrapped into your payment so you don't feel it. Oh, you feel it. Final power move. You walk in with a credit union pre-approval in your pocket. Now you say, I'm pre-approved at 6.2%. Beat that or I'll walk. Now you controlled the out of the door price, didn't get emotional, made them compete, walked away when needed, dodged the add-ons, and you didn't get played. Most people walk in, fall in love, say a number, sign anything, and cry later. Stop asking, can I afford the payment? Start asking, how much is this really costing me?